Okay, we're on to question number 2. In question 2, we're given these two sets. So set A is defined for us as a set of integers greater than 11, negative 11, but less than negative 3. So it might be helpful to actually write that one out. Integers are the counting numbers, not decimals. If it's greater than negative 11, that would not include negative 11. So our first number in our set will be negative 10. We have negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4. And since it has to be less than negative 3, it does not include negative 3. So that's the set we have. So this is A. And we'll write it out in definition, so maybe it's a little easier to work with. Okay. B is these letters. So find the cardinalities of A. Well, what's a cardinality? Cardinality, the way I like to remember it is see this little n. It's the number that are in A. That how many, the amount. So we're just counting. It's not, and it's kind of confusing because A has numbers as its elements, but we're counting the amount of elements in A. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our cardinality is 7. So we put that right in there. Cardinality of B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The cardinality of B is going to be 8, the number in 8. Okay, so now we can do some of these true-false questions. Back to the pen. Negative 6 is an element of A. Here's A is negative 6. Well, there it is right there. It's a member. It's in the club. Negative 6. So that's going to be true. Negative 16 is an element of A. Well, no way. They have to be greater than negative 11, so you can see it's not going to work. That's why it's kind of helpful to actually write out the sets, but we can see that's false. Little a is an element of B. We come up to B, there it is. There's the A. It is an element, so that is true. And then this last one, the little l is not an element of B. Well, I don't see a little l, so it's not an element of B. So that's actually a true statement. So we'll fill that one in. And again, I wanted to be able to use the pen, but let's come over here and also mark these with the Alex method. There we go. It's recorded. We'll move on to the next one. And again, I'll take a little pause so that you can see these as discrete videos. Thanks.